Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. 2007 Toyota Corolla S, and she came here for the rear brakes, and also another shop said that they discovered the reason why when you are driving over the bumps, like this uneven driveway or whatever imperfections in the road, why the owner or driver of the vehicle hears some thumping and a knocking and sounds like that from this area. So the other shop where they took it said that the front strut mount on this side is bad. These people, the owner and the dad, they want me to work on this. So let's go and see if the other shop was correct in the diagnosis, and if this replacing the front struts will fix this problem. Here we have a replacement installed on the driver's side. It's nicely in, and I paused my work to finally show you the difference between good and bad. So here is the replacement strut, and look at it. It's absolutely quiet. There is a bearing in it, and it's the seals, and there's zero play, absolutely no play, not 1 millimeter. Alright, so this is the new strut which is coming in, and here we have the failed one. And look at that. We finally can see the problem. It cannot be even spun. There is all that ripped chunks inside. It's completely kaput. And this one, this is what was making all that thumping, clunking, banging. It was all these nightmares. It was coming from this top mount. Once again, looking on the one which is perfectly brand new, no problems whatsoever. Now I have both sides successfully installed, nicely in the place. You can see it. We can put the wheels back, lower her down, and see if there will be still any noises in the front suspension. Now Corolla is off the lift. Let's go and see if we fix the problem. I looked around on the other components because this was diagnosed by a different shop. They brought it to me after they were told there is a problem there. One of the end links, sway bar end links, clicks tiny bit here, but other than that it should be quiet. You see how that brand new strut and the shock inside is not letting me to bounce the vehicle. I just can't do it. Absolutely quiet. Let's see here. I want to damage something. And look at it. Before here, this area, it was just banging. It was a loud metallic knocking inside of this top mount. It's fixed, and this is after the repairs. So let's confirm the success of replacing front struts. We will find the driveway where the vehicle really twists itself, the body is under the stress, and where the bouncing and knocking from that corner, from passenger front corner, was super heavy. It was already, you could hear it here because the road is full of patches. But look right here, this parking lot entry, there's a lot of steep angles. There will be huge knocking. If you look over there, there will be also very steep angle to get out of this parking lot. The body is twisting and the strut, that damaged top, was doing all the ruckus. And the problem is definitely fixed. We have no more crazy noises. Success! I hope many of you will find this video helpful when dealing with such a problem. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.